What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the John Crestani's work-at-home secrets before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the John Crestani's work-at-home secrets works. This program provides comprehensive training that will guide you from the basics to strategies to succeed working from home. Designed by John Crestani, a successful entrepreneur, this course is suitable for anyone wishing to achieve their full financial and personal potential starting today at a promotional value of $6.95. So take advantage of this insane promotion, because at any time it can return to the normal value of $199. What's included in John Crestani's work-at-home secrets? Fundamentals guidance, Success Path Masterclass, 90-day release plan and 5 more bonus for you. Bonus 1 the Success Consultant, Bonus 2 the Success Roadmap, Bonus 3 the Crestani Way Doctrine, Bonus 4 Crestani Nation Community, and Bonus 5 the Income Jumpstart. You'll get a 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't like it. Now reduced to just $6.95, John Crestani's work-at-home secrets has become even more affordable for everyone who wants to change their lives working from home. Take advantage of this unique opportunity while at promotional value and invest in your future today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to leave a like and share this video with interested friends and family. Thank you for watching and have a great day. See you next time.